All right, let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, we're looking at an Onity 24, is that right?
HT-24.
HT-24 Onity lock, like so. You get the code from your, where's your box at? All right, when you get your box, you plug in, you're trying to reset it. We got this from a supplier online, and it says clear the code on the box. Can't figure out how to clear the code. You open the back part up, and your clear button is as such. Once with fresh batteries, we plug it in, hold the button down, lights pop on. How long did it say?
That's it.
All right.
And now we should be able to.
Good luck.
Let's see. Let me try plugging it in. That's it.
There it is. Enjoy.